This one question can completely change your life. And I'm not kidding. I'm talking about any area of your life, like relationships, your finances, your health, your wellness, your job, anything. But you have to do the work because the question is one part of it that I'm going to share with you, but you've got to do the work because nothing's going to change unless you take action, right? So I, I joke that this one question could put all life coaches out of business because really, who knows you better than you know yourself? So if you ask yourself the right questions and you do the right follow up, you can change your own life, right? So here goes. Now, stick with me for a minute because I'm going to take you through the three parts of it. Okay. So the first question is to ask yourself. Let's just do wellness as an example. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how well do you take care of yourself? 10 being great, one not so good. Now, I always like to say you can't use seven because seven is kind of too easy of a kind of a middle of the road answer. Because if you're 8 or 6, there's a big difference between those two. So come up with your score. You can do this as we go along here if you want. And from there, right? So let's just say you come up with a 6. Your wellness score is a 6. So usually you don't think about all the things that you're doing well and you come up with your score. In your mind, most people start with a 10 and then say, all right, well, I haven't been working out that much. I'm definitely not eating well. On an irregular sleep pattern. You come up with these things and you deduct and then you come up with your score. So with those things that you've come up with that you have deducted out and realized that because of these, I'm a 6, you then take each of those individual things and come up with an action plan, 2 or 3 action plans for each of them that is going to help you come up with a better way to work on your sleep, to increase your consistency of working out, what's going to help you eat better, the things that you can do for all those things that you've listed. Come up with action plans, and there you go. You have your action plans to a better life. It's that simple. And you can do this with any relationship. You can do it with your work relationships, your partner, your family, anybody. And then you can do it with, your finances. You could do it with your work, um, health, wellness, anything. Just try it. And no one knows you better than you know yourself. So ask yourself the question and do the work. Again, nothing's going to change unless you take action. So there you go. There you have it. You're a do it yourself coach. And so take action and get out there and change your life however you want to change it.